If you're like most doctors, then you take your continuing education course and forget about it. It's something that you pay for because you need the credits, but many courses don't pay ongoing dividends in terms of something that's useful on an ongoing basis. Likewise, most doctors also find that it's hard to market their new brand skills that they've learned. So that fancy seminar that you traveled to ends up being impractical because while you can apply what you learned to your patients, it's hard to get the word out about how you can help people with those new skills. Additionally, most courses never improve over time. That course that you took today won't be updated and made better so you can continually benefit from it. When added all together, this makes almost 100% of continuing education courses highly limited in their usefulness. Enter the brand new TrapEAZE technique that breaks all of the rules because it's the new gold standard for how continuing education courses should be in 2023 and beyond. And the reason why is because not only is it practical for nearly every upper back pain patient that you'll treat, but it also has its own proprietary doctor's dream marketing system that's integrated into it. Beyond that, the TrapEAZE technique's roadmap is scheduled for over a year into the future, into 2024. This means that with brand new updates that are scheduled to be released on an ongoing basis, practitioners will be able to benefit from it ongoingly. When combined together, this automatically positions it head and shoulders above 99% of the continuing education courses that's available to take. To learn more about it, join us for a free workshop where Dr. Justin, the TrapEAZE technique founder, will walk you through its proven system that's created genuine life-changing results for many desperate patients.